Hello, Rose here, and welcome to a tutorial on Yarn Craftee. This tutorial guides you through how to make these cute crochet hearts. It's just a very lovely embellishment that you can make and add to your crochet items like a headband or even a bag or your jeans if you want. So we're going to need a 4.5mm hook and worsted weight yarn in two colors, the main color and the contrast color. Alright, let's dive in. We're going to start with the contrast color. Make a magic circle and 9 single crochets into the ring. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm going to pull the ring closed. Alright, I'm going to finish the last, the 9th single crochet with the main color. Just for a neater transition. Once that is done, we will join into the very first stitch on the round. And now chain 2. 1, 2. This counts as the first double crochet on the round. I'm going to just snip this because we don't need it anymore. Okay, chain 2, first double crochet on the round, and double crochet into the same stitch as well. Okay, the same place where we joined. Alright, now we want to do triple treble crochet, yarn over 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3 into the next stitch. Pull through 2, 1, pull through 2, 3, pull through 3, 4, pull through 3, 5, 1, 2, 3. Into the very same stitch because we're doing 2 stitches into 1. Okay, pull through 2, 1, pull through 2, 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, 4. Alright, that's done. 1, 2, 3. Again, in the next stitch, we're going to do another 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've used this stitch before in 1, 2, 3 in the square pattern, the hexagon square pattern. So you might want to check that out as well. Say 1, 2, 3. Okay, into the same stitch. All right. So that's 2 stitches in 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Into the same stitch again. Now we have about 8 stitches on this side because we've worked into 4 stitches now. The 5th stitch. At this point, we want to chain 1 because this is the 5th stitch, so this is like the center of it, because we have 9 stitches at the beginning on round 1, round 2. We work 4 stitches on this side, and then on the 9th one, the 5th stitch, which is the middle stitch, we will create that pointed part. So now chain 1. Okay, after you've done 2 stitches into that stitch, now into that 5th stitch again, we're going to do another 2 stitches, 2 tall stitches, 1, 2, 3, another 2 triple trebles. Go back in there. What that means is in that 5th stitch we have 4 stitches. 4 stitches separated by a chain 1 in the middle. In there again. This is the 4th one. Alright, now we have 4 stitches left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to continue in the next stitch. 2 stitches in there. Next stitch. Next stitch. Let's finish the round with with double crochet. We have one last stitch here, which is the 9th stitch. So in there we're doing our double crochet stitches. Okay. Chain 2, slip stitch into the same stitch. And there we have our 3 little hearts. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to check out the tutorial for this headband.